Hello, today we will guide you through how to update your phone number in Splitwise. To get started, open the Splitwise app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before continuing, since phone number updates are tied directly to your profile settings. Once the app is open and you're on the main screen, you're ready for the next step. Look to the lower right corner of the screen and tap on Account. This will take you to your personal account area, where you can manage profile details and other settings related to your Splitwise account. If you don't immediately recognize the option, take a moment to scan the bottom navigation bar carefully. After the account page opens, find the Edit option in the top right corner of the screen and tap it. This allows you to make changes to your profile information. Opening the Edit view is important because your phone number field won't be available for changes until you enter this mode. Next, locate the phone number section. Under that section, tap Edit. This opens the area where you can update the number currently associated with your account. If you already have a phone number saved, this is where you'll be able to replace it with your new one. You'll then need to select the appropriate country. Choose the sample country shown in the app for your update. This step matters because the country selection determines the dialing code and helps format the phone number correctly. Be sure to pick the correct country before entering the number, especially if your number includes a country-specific code. Once the country is selected, enter your phone number in the field provided. Take a moment to double-check what you type so there are no mistakes, since even a small typo can cause issues later. When you're done, tap Save to confirm the update. After saving, your new phone number should now be attached to your Splitwise account. If the app takes a moment to refresh, that's normal. It's a good idea to verify that the updated number appears correctly on your profile before leaving the page. That's all it takes to update your phone number in Splitwise. Following these steps carefully helps make sure your account information stays current and accurate, which can be useful for notifications, account access, and keeping your profile up to date.